In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert scrolling or moving text into your Weebly website quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to add a bit of dynamic flair to your site or you simply want to welcome visitors in a more eye-catching way, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Weebly, open up your preferred web browser, and go to the Weebly website. You can either log into your account if you already have one, or you might want to create a new account if you're not yet set up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the editor where you can start constructing or editing your site. As you find yourself in the Weebly editor, the next move is to locate the embed code element. This element allows you to insert custom HTML or third-party widgets into your site. You'll find it in the Elements toolbar, typically on the left-hand side of the editor. Take a moment to look through the elements list if you need to and locate embed code. Once you've found the embed code element, it's time to drag it onto your web page. Click on its icon, then drag and drop it into the section of your website where you intend the moving text to appear. It's a simple action, but reflects where on the page the text will be displayed, so think about positioning as you place it. Now that you've placed the embed code element, the next step is to click on it. This will open up the editing options, and you'll see an option that says Edit Custom HTML. Click on this, and it will allow you to enter your own HTML code into that section of your web page. In the HTML editing area, you'll need to type in some simple code. Type in this exact code. Open with, then followed by the message you want, like welcome to this website, and close with the marquee tag is what enables the text to scroll, giving it that moving effect. Once you've typed in your code, simply save or update your changes. You should now see that friendly welcome text moving seamlessly across the designated section of your web page. This adds a touch of activity and can help direct the eye where you'd like it to go. And there you have it. Your scrolling text is now part of your Weebly site. Feel free to customize the message to fit your specific needs or change the scrolling direction and speed with additional attributes if you're comfortable experimenting further with HTML. Thanks for following along and enjoy creating lively, engaging content on your site.